Are you tired of spending hours trying to reconcile your bank accounts in QuickBooks Online? Well, fear not. We've got you covered with some expert tips to help you master bank reconciliation in no time. First things first, make sure all your transactions are entered correctly in QuickBooks Online. This includes deposits, checks, and any other transactions that have cleared your bank. Next, it's time to match your transactions. Use the Match feature in QuickBooks Online to easily reconcile transactions that are already in your bank feed. This will save you time and avoid duplicate entries. If you can't find a match for a transaction, don't worry. You can manually reconcile it by selecting the correct account and category. Just make sure to double-check your work to ensure accuracy. Don't forget to review and reconcile your accounts regularly. This will help you catch any discrepancies early on and keep your financial records up to date. With these tips, you'll be a master at bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.